Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust macronutrients goals by day in MyFitnessPal. So actually this app is so useful. You can use it even if you want to gain weights or lose weights, or to create a diet or a specific diet that you want to follow. So to get it, you just need to go into your Play Store, App Store, or Samsung Store, Xiaomi Store. Even you can get the app from the platform of MyFitnessPal that you can get through through your Google Chrome or any other browser. So let's dive in and let's open up our app. And right here, what I'm going to do is to go into this 3 points on the bottom right corner. It says more, so just tap on it. And right here, I want to go into goals option. Alright, so once you tap on goals, I just want you to look for nutrition goals section, that one, and then I want to go to the first option, calories, carbs, protein, and fat goals. Just tap on it, and right here, what I want to do is to go into the add daily goal, and it's for the premium users. Alright, so I don't have the plan of the pro or the premium, so you just need, for the premiums, you just need to tap on add daily goal, and right here you need you will choose the day of the week, and then you'll need to enter calories, carbohydrates in percent, protein in percent, and fat in percent, even on grams, and then you just need to tap on save. So you need also to repeat for other days to customize each one. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.